Being a part of the city stages, the impact it's had has been phenomenal. I've managed to network and connect with the right people, and working alongside with Tree in that respect has made me more confident, opened up new avenues as an up-and-coming artist. So it's had a huge impact and inevitably led me on to performing in other events, pushing more on the social media aspect, feeding into signing a record deal. I suffer myself with my own nerves, so I was a bit nervous beforehand and panicky and sweaty, a bit like now. I remember going onto the stage. On the left-hand side of me was the brass section, and right in front of me was Cian on the piano. And then over to the right was the crowd. There's a feeling of excitement, adrenaline, fear, nerves, pressure, overwhelmingness, but no doubt just a feeling of pure happiness. You know, it's almost euphoric. And you go out on stage and you can smell the tent, you can feel the love. Yeah, it's very special. I was overwhelmed with joy. I was extremely excited. I remember telling me ma, and she was extremely excited. It's like winning the lotto for anybody looking to perform at EP. It's an amazing thing, you know, you sit down and you have you're brought over by this major label, and there's a part of you that's scared and excited. All the elements, all the emotions. I'm extremely proud of myself and the people around me that's been able to support it. And I've been lucky to have the experience and the exposure that Tree have given me. So. The best advice I can give you is take the risk or lose the chance. Don't be afraid to promote yourself on social media. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. I still feel that that's a thing today for me, but I'm definitely getting better. And by doing so, you come across these great competitions. So.